I gave AI a single sentence and it built out a fully functional website, wrote all the copy, and generated the visuals. I didn't touch a single other tool. Watch it happen right now. So, if you want to dive deeper from the tier plan, they offer $27 in credits and 50% off of the annual plan. Check it out. So, this is Mule Run, and it is your all in one AI office platform. And as you can see, you can generate quite a bit. As you can see, they have analyzed US stock, the all in one agent that works end to end. So, it is pretty neat what this thing can do. Proactive workflow automation. So, we're going to go ahead and sign in, and we are at our dashboard. Here we are. We're going to type in our prompt here. And as you can see, a complete modern sustainable coffee company called Green Roast includes all of my most important things. So once we are ready, we're going to go ahead and click next. So I'm going to challenge you to take a one-click challenge, generate a full website just like I'm about to do, but definitely check out the rest of these results and tell me in the comments if yours did better than mine. So I want to challenge you to see if you're able to really create something with no extra tools, no manual edits, and just using Mule Run to do what I'm about to show you. And an added bonus, Mule Run actually provides its own domain, built-in data space storage, and a commercial-ready website without any coding. And here it is. So it is. The Mule Run is thinking, changing, it's crunching the numbers. It's doing all sorts of fun things. It's creating the skills, mapping out the possibilities, running the analytics, setting up the mules, which is pretty neat. I'm guessing they're not real mules. It's writing, our storytelling experience. It's editing the identity of the sections, which is pretty neat. And just like that, we have our Green Roast Coffee Company, a sustainable coffee that is elevated. It's pretty much done here, but at least we have a preview. You can see that it is really sleek. We can expand this out a little bit. So visual language, brand colors. It kind of shows us what the look is like with our brand colors here and shows everything we've wanted from the executive summary and the overview, pricing, market analysis, business model, the financial projections. Previously, I would have to take all the copy, say from ChatGPT, add it into Notion, use Midjourney to create a logo and images, and all of that would literally take at least 2 hours. Now I'm able to do it in seconds with zero coding, zero installation, and zero switching happening, which is pretty amazing to say the least. It's just doing everything we asked it to in our prompt. So it's pretty neat that it can do all this just from a simple prompt. We have a pricing table for production. Just from one prompt, it was able to do all this. It's pretty crazy what it's been able to do. So I can either download this or share it. This is all of the source code here. All of this. So it did all this from one prompt. And this isn't just a one-off. This isn't just a special prompt that only generates this video or this website that looks like a one-shot. I'm going to show you guys use cases that have had similar results. So I'm going to go ahead and switch to the usecase.mule.page. As you can see, this is the showcase gallery of people that have taken the challenge, the one-click challenge. And these are the results from a Halloween crossword puzzle to 3D cubes. How would this change your life if you're a freelancer doing other people's websites? Or maybe you're a solo entrepreneur or a developer who wants to showcase your portfolio or add services. This automatically does it with just a few prompts. One interface, one subscription, one conversion that you can do all in one without using a bunch of different tools, saving you time and money. So definitely check out a free trial in the link in the description. There's no reason why you can't take the one prompt challenge yourself, because you might want to just try doing the same exact thing that I did. Pick the hardest task, put it through Mule Run, and see what comes back. Link is in the description. It is completely free to start. Drop your try or your challenge that you've done in the comments. I'm reading all of them. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.